Hello students, it's me Maria, and here I'm going to be talking about the 2D shapes, so the flat shapes in English. So first up we have the square. So you can see the square has 4 equal sides, just here, that's a square. Next we've got the rectangle, so 4 sides, but this one's a bit longer than the square. Next we have the diamond, so it's just like this, that's a diamond. Next is the triangle, so the 3 sides there. Next is the circle, that's a circle. And then the oval, so it's a skinny version of the circle. Next we have the rhombus, so it's like a square but it's tilted this way. This is the rhombus. Next we have the trapezoid. So the trapezoid is like a square but goes up thinner, becomes thinner towards the top. Next we have the pentagon. So this, if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it has 5 sides, so that's why it's called the pentagon. Next we have the hexagon. So if you count the sides, you'll see it has 6 sides. So next we've got the octagon. So this one has 8 sides, so that's why it's the octagon. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoy the activity you get to do with the shapes. Bye!